Looking for the perfect brew every morning? Our guide to the best coffee makers highlights top-rated machines that deliver rich flavor, convenience, and consistency. Whether you love a quick drip coffee, a bold espresso, or a frothy cappuccino, these coffee makers are designed to satisfy every caffeine craving with ease and style. Starting at number 1, Breville BDC4BSS coffee maker. The Breville Precision Brewer Thermal is a premium 60 Oz programmable drip coffee maker with a sleek brushed stainless steel design and a thermal carafe that keeps coffee hot for hours. It offers 6 unique brewing modes, including Gold, SCA Standard, Fast, Strong, Iced, Cold Brew, and fully customizable. My brew settings, so you can enjoy cafe quality coffee tailored to your taste. With precise digital temperature control, PA/PD, adjustable bloom time and flow rate, plus dual filter baskets, this machine delivers rich, balanced brews from single cups to full carafes. Number 2, Cafe Specialty Coffee Maker. The Cafe Specialty Grind and Brew Coffee Maker is an all-in-one smart drip coffee machine that brews barista-quality coffee at home with a built-in adjustable burr grinder and a removable 75 Oz water reservoir. Wi-Fi connectivity with the Smart HQ app lets you schedule brews, customize settings, and use voice control with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant for ultimate convenience. It's SCA certified to meet the Specialty Coffee Association's Gold Cup standard. So every cup, from single serve to a full 10-cup thermal carafe, delivers rich, balanced flavor. Number 3, Lavazza Expert Coffee Machine. The Lavazza Expert Coffee Classy Plus LB400 is a versatile all-in-one single-serve espresso and coffee machine that brings cafe-quality drinks right to your home or office. It brews a variety of beverages, from rich espresso and lungo to full 8 Oz coffees, and even milk-based drinks like lattes, cappuccinos, and macchiatos, thanks to its built-in milk vessel and frother. Compatible with Lavazza Expert and Blue Coffee capsules, the machine features adjustable cup heights, a double shot function, and a removable used capsule container for easy cleanup. Compact yet powerful, it allows you to enjoy authentic Italian espresso and creamy milk drinks without the need for additional equipment, making it perfect for coffee enthusiasts seeking convenience and quality in one sleek device. Number 4, Nespresso Virtuo Coffee Maker. The Nespresso Virtuo PA Plus Coffee and Espresso Maker by DeLonghi, Samra Origins Buna Yellow, is a compact, stylish capsule espresso and coffee machine that delivers cafe-style drinks with one-touch precision brewing. It uses Nespresso Virtuo capsules to brew a variety of coffee sizes, from espresso and double espresso to larger coffee and mug sizes, all topped with a smooth layer of crema thanks to Nespresso's patented centrifugation, TM, extraction technology. The machine heats up in about 30 seconds, features a removable 25 Oz water tank for easy refills, an adjustable drip tray, automatic shutoff, and app connectivity for updates and convenient control. Its vibrant Buna yellow finish, part of the Samra Origins collaboration, adds personality to your kitchen, and Nespresso's aluminum capsules are fully recyclable through the brand's program. Number 5, Breville BCG820 BSS Grinder Pro. The Breville Smart Grinder Pro BCG820 BSS is a premium programmable conical burr coffee grinder designed to elevate your home brewing experience with precision and versatility. Featuring 60 unique grind settings that span from extra fine espresso to coarse French press, it lets you dial in the ideal grind for any brew method, while dosing IQR technology and a digital timer, adjustable in 0.2 second increments, ensure consistent dosing every time. The intuitive LCD display clearly shows grind size, time, and number of shots or cups selected, and you can grind directly into a portafilter, airtight container, filter basket, or paper filter for maximum convenience. Built with a brushed stainless steel exterior and an 18 Oz 450G bean hopper, this grinder combines durability, style, and performance to help unlock your coffee's full flavor potential.